Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. This recipe is one of my favorite roasted bell peppers with homemade tomato sauce. The first step is to wash the peppers. Place a baking paper on a tray and arrange the peppers. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius in the oven with fan for about 25 to 30 minutes. Please make sure to flip the peppers from both sides. After roasting the peppers, wrap it in a plastic bag or put them in a pot that closes tightly so the peppers can smother. The reason for doing this is just because later you can peel the peppers off easier. After 15 to 20 minutes, the peppers have stewed enough and peeling is quick and easy. While you are waiting for the peppers to soften, start preparing the tomato sauce. Cut the tomatoes into half and grate them with a grater. You may also use electric blender or food processor for this purpose, but please make sure that you peeled the tomato first. In a frying pan, add some avocado oil, then the chopped garlic. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Add the tomato sauce to the pan. Add some Himalayan salt. The tomatoes are cooked until the sauce thickens. After 15 to 20 minutes, the peppers has stewed enough and peeling has to be quick and easy. Continue until all peppers are done. Place the peppers in a deep plate and add the tomato sauce. Sprinkle with some parsley on top. Hope you find this video helpful, and if you have any questions, please post them in the comment down below.